we are middle class people. Even I can't afford to purchase your car. The only request, two requests to you. One is you increase the number as production. Then it is possible for you to reduce the cost. People like we are middle class people. Even I can't afford to purchase your car. So, if your number will be increased, your cost will be reduced. And the other important thing is now the Indian automobile industry is in the process of development. Presently, the size of industry is 7.8 lakh crore, out of which 3.5 lakh crore is export. And growth rate of the industry is 10%. And this is the industry which create employment for 4 crore across all economic groups. And this is the industry which is giving maximum revenue to the state government and central government as a form of GST. So we are the largest manufacturer, number one in the world for two-wheelers and three-wheelers. The 50% production of Bajaj, TVS and Hero already that is export. And today we have 400 startups, the young talented engineers making e-scooters. Now they are going to make three-wheeler also, and so beautifully designed. So I feel that this is one of the important industry for the country. We are the 7th largest manufacturer of commercial vehicle, and as a minister, I have a dream and mission to make this industry of 15 lakh crore. 15 lakh crore is very important because I am making a lot of express highway to create more demand for you. We are making express highway from Pune to Bangalore. Within 4 hours, we will reach to Bangalore here from Pune. So Pune to Ahmednagar, 2 hours. So 100% people are going to be preferring this type of car segment, and it is also very useful for them. And for that reason, I will request you that there is a huge market. Now the growth in electric sales, 15.7 lakh electric vehicle registered in India. Overall sales of EVs is rise 335%. So in future for this car, you will get good market.